Welcome back, dear students. So, we are going to learn 9th Standard Science Part 2, Lesson number 15, Life Process in Living Organisms. So, our next topic is types of nerve cells. According to their functions, nerve cells are classified into three types. Sensory neurons means sensory neurons conduct impulses from sensory organs to the brain and spinal cord. Second is motor neurons conduct impulses from the brain or spinal cord to effector organs like muscles or glands. So third, association neurons perform the function of integration in the nervous system. Okay, so next topic is the human nervous system. The human nervous system is divided into three parts. Number one is central nervous system, two is peripheral nervous system, so third one is autonomic nervous system. So let's learn in detail about central nervous system or CNS. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. The organization of the brain is extremely delicate and highly evolved. The brain is the main controlling part of the nervous system and it is safely located in the cranial cavity. The spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column in the space between the delicate central nervous system and its bony covering are the protective layers called the appendages. Cavities present in various parts of the brain are called ventricles, whereas the long tubular cavity of the spinal cord is called the central canal. The ventricle, central canal, and spaces between the meninges are filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid supplies nutrients to the central nervous system and protects it from shock. So, brain of an adult human weighs about 1300 to 1400 grams and consists of approximately 100 billion neurons. The left side of our brain controls the right side of our body and the right side of our brain controls the left side of the body. In addition, the left side of the brain controls our speech and conversation, writing, logical thinking, etc., whereas the right side controls artistic abilities. So, next is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of our brain and consists of two cerebral hemispheres. These hemispheres are joined with each other with the help of tough fibers and nerve tracts. The cerebrum occupies two-thirds of the brain. Hence, it is also called the large brain. Its surface has deep, irregular ridges and grooves which are called convolution. Convolution increases the surface area of the cerebrum and therefore a large number of nerve cells can be accommodated. So next is cerebellum. This is the smaller part of the brain situated below the cerebrum at the back of the cranial cavity. Its surface shows shallow grooves instead of deep convolutions. So next is medulla oblongata. This is the hindmost part of brain. There are two triangular swollen structures called pyramids on the upper side of medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata continues downwards as the spinal cord. So, spinal cord is a part of the central nervous system and it is held within the vertebral column. It is slightly thick but gradually tapers towards the end. There is a thread like fibrous structure at its end. It is called the filum terminal. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching.